YouTube, what's the deal, man? As y'all boys can tell, we got the SRT Jeep out here. 2019 for my new subscribers. I know y'all be asking what year. This is the 2019 SRT Jeep. We just went straight pipe on it. All I did was throw 5-inch exhaust tips on it. Everything else completely stock. Show y'all how it sounds off the start up. This not a cold start. I was clearly driving it. Hit it for y'all real fast, gang. Oh my God. Hey y'all, when I tell y'all the straight pipe was the best thing I done did, like if y'all thinking about getting y'all mufflers cut, bro, just go straight pipe on it, gang. Don't even waste your time. Just go all the way straight pipe on it, bro. Nah, I was getting comments when I first got the straight pipe done, like, I was getting comments about it like, is it drone noise? Whoo, y'all hear that pop? Man. Now, I don't know what drone noise is. My cousin kept saying that when I got a straight pipe. Like, I don't know what that is, bro. All I know is all I hear is this engine and that popping noise, gang. And I love it, you feel me? So, let me hit it for y'all boys so y'all could hear for real, gang. I ain't gonna lie, it sound like how it been sounding. The sound just amplified, if you ask me. Let me see. And all it do is pop now. Y'all, every time I downshift it pop, bro. I love that popping sound. Oh my God, bro. Y'all hear the pop? I hope y'all can hear the pop on the video, bro. Oh my God, let me stop. Let me just throw that back in automatic, bro. Bro, that pop just make it sound so much crazier, bro. Like, bro, if you got a Hemi, bro, this is how your car's supposed to sound, gang. I don't know what it was. I don't know if it was the stock exhaust tips or my exhaust system just wasn't opened enough with the mufflers on there, bro. But this make the car sound so good, bro. And one thing I can say, the only reason why I didn't go straight pipe right off the bat, bro, I'm not one of them people that just want my car just crazy loud, waking my neighbors up and all that. Now when I first did it, it sounded like it was that loud. When I first did the cold start, when I went back home the next day, bro, it was too loud. But after a couple of days, I guess it settled in or whatever, and it got a little quieter, but it's still crazy loud, as y'all could tell. Y'all, bro, do y'all hear the pop? Oh my God. This, bro, no Corsa exhaust system or nothing. Stock exhaust system, straight pipe, 5-inch exhaust tips, bro. I think it's the exhaust tips, bro. Whew. I think it's the exhaust tips, gang. I ain't gonna lie to y'all boys. It's like you could cruise and still hear it, bro. At first I couldn't do that. Like you could hear it from the inside, but the outside, man. If y'all go watch my video when I first got the straight pipe done, bro. If y'all want to hear how it sounds from the outside. And I ain't gonna lie, ever since I did this, bro, heads turn. Every time I ride past somebody, if they walking, they in their cars, heads turn, gang. And at first, like, I'd be cruising. Like, people know what the car is, bro, but now it's like they'll pull on the side of me and they be trying to line up and rev their engine on. Like, man, it got to that point. Like, man. I know I keep saying it, bro, but the pops make the car 10 times better, bro. And what's crazy is I planned on going with a Corsa exhaust system. Man, I'm keeping it straight pipe, bro. I ain't about to spend no... what I gotta spend about, what, 15, 2,000 for an exhaust system? And the straight pipe sound this crazy? Man, I'm about to keep this just how it is, bro. Keep this exactly how it is, bro. Oh, forgot I got tent. I'm waving, tell them motherfuckers go, I got tent. Niggas can't see. Pulled down, they blocking something fast, gang. Waking niggas up. I ain't trying to go too crazy though, bro. I just want y'all boys to see what this straight pipe done did to the Jeep, bro. I can't even recommend a mid muffler delete to nobody no more. This straight pipe do it, bro. I might just cruise. Look, I might just cruise, and like just to show y'all, like it ain't gonna be too loud all day, gang. Like, you could cruise, you ain't gonna hear the engine too much. You really got to hit on it, bro. It ain't gonna be just crazy loud all the time, 24/7, bro. But you gonna hear that downshift regardless. You gonna hear it pop when you downshift regardless. That's what I love about it, bro. You gonna hear that. Them popping noises when you downshift. See, you could cruise, bro. It ain't gonna be too loud. That's the only thing I was concerned about. Like, man, it's gonna be loud 24/7. Nope. You can ride, listen to music. It ain't gonna be, you gonna hear your engine, bro, but it's not gonna be too loud. Like the Mustangs, bro. How the Mustangs just be crazy loud all the time. It ain't gonna be like that, gang. Let me get back to hitting it though, man. If you get your car straight, pipe 4. If you get your car straight, pipe 4, gang. Hey, if you got these, man, if you already got a Hemi, you, of course you like driving, bro, but man, when you get it straight piped, anything done with your exhaust system, bro, this is gonna make you get in your car and just drive even more, bro. Hey, but look though, gang. Outside of the straight pipe, you feel me? The straight pipe in the tent. What type of mods y'all want to see, man? Let me know in the comment section, gang. I got some in mind, but I'm curious on what y'all trying to see real fast, bro. What mod should I come next on it? Let me know. Let me know in the comment section, gang. Y'all know I read all my comments, gang. If I don't get back to y'all in that same day, y'all know I'm gonna reply within that week though, for sure. Can't say y'all don't love that popping noise, gang. Man, get your car straight pipe, dog. Get your car straight pipe, man. Man, I'm just mad I ain't did this for my Scat Pack when I had the Scat. Man, the Scat probably would have sounded so crazy, bro. Man. Let me see how it sound off the line, though. It's a little long. Alright, man, let me go ahead and chill out, gang. That's gonna wrap up the video, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe if you new. Man, let me know in the comment section what y'all want to see next, man. I'm out, gang.